Hi, my name is Ella Fosini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is quite different and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you, to be filming this and to be showing you my next interest. So let's get straight into the video. I had a period where I was depressed, I was stressed, and I felt inadequate. I spoke about it. I'll put the link up there, you can check it out. Through that journey, through that period, I realized, I built an interest. During that period, I was just looking at art stuff. I was more into DIY arts, and I realized, I actually have an interest in arts. Not to make money out of it, but something to relieve stress, to distress, and to calm myself down. One of my loves is photography, and photography is an art. I love colors. I love dealing with different colors, bright, saturated, contrasted pictures. I love landscape. I love pictures of animals. I love pictures of different things. So I decided to, why not try arts, and I'm here today. So I want to try watercolor, I want to try acrylic and see how far it goes. But I know and I have experienced how calming and soothing watercoloring can be. So I bought myself some supplies to actually start with it. So I want to share with you the supplies I bought. You can tell how excited I am, right? All these items, I bought them on Amazon. So the first item I'm going to share with you is my color pencils. And this color pencil is from ProBro. These color pencils are 72 premium color pencils with different shades. It came with a case. You just have to type the name ProBro on Amazon and you see the price and everything and how to get it. Yeah, so I'm happy to try this colored pencil. I'm not a pro when it comes to coloring. As I said, it's an interest I've developed, so I'm new to this. I bought affordable items for this coloring journey. The next item I'm going to talk about is the watercolors. The watercolors has 36 shades and it came with water brush pens. It also came with watercolor pads to try your hands on. And I'm so excited because this was a set, and to me as a beginner it was quite affordable, especially looking at the different prices of watercolor pads and the brush pens. Seriously, art stuff are expensive, to be honest. So if you have an interest, don't go buying expensive stuff, especially for a beginner. Buy the cheaper ones to see if you actually enjoy or like it before you start investing in it. So I decided to go cheap because why not? I wanted to learn. The next one I'm going to talk to you about are the pencils. These pencils came in different shades. We have from light to deep. There's an eraser, there's a sharpener. You remember in school, okay, in my school or in my country, Ghana, we normally did pre-tech when we were in junior high school, and we had to buy all these range of pencils. So when I saw these pencils, it just reminded me of junior high school and how interesting that time was. So the next item I'm going to share with you is this coloring book. Is for adults and is by Sara and that's the name of the book. It has more than 50 designs. It has more than 50 designs. Let me show you. See, there are so many designs in the book. I've even started coloring. I'll show you my project. I'm so excited. I really want to get more of these finished. So this is my first project. and I'm so excited. I got extremely ecstatic when I saw this book. I just had to start coloring. All the items I unboxed, this was my favorite, and I had to just delve into it and start working with it. So the next item I'm going to share with you is this mixing tray for the watercolors, and also the water brush set. This came with different tips. As you can see, we have different tips. Yeah, so you just fill the tube with water, then you use it on your watercolor paints. I'm so eager to try watercoloring. I can't just help myself. I also got these brushes, and these ones are from Princeton Art Brush Co. These brushes are so expensive. I just had to close my eyes and buy them because the price was insane. But it was recommended, and from reviews and from the YouTube videos I've watched, it's durable and it's worth the price. I also got this one from the ProBro. I just decided to get these brushes in case any fails. So I got these all together, and I'm so excited to try all of them. So these are few supplies I got to start delving into watercoloring, and I just needed to share this with you. Before I bought all these things, I read extensively. I watched YouTube videos. I'll share the link of some of the YouTubers I watched and got inspired by more to actually go into this watercoloring journey. As I said earlier, I'm not a pro, I'm a beginner, and I just felt the need to distress and do something for fun. So I felt watercoloring was the best option because it has to do with a lot of colors, it has to do with a lot of pictures, and I love colors and I love pictures, so why not? If you have an interest in going into watercoloring, you can watch videos from the YouTubers I shared. You'll be inspired. Hope you liked this video, and I will update you on my watercolor journey. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for tuning in, and see you in my next video.